Hello, we are going to study pressure and kinetic energy of the gas. Practically, in this, there are, this is a chamber, many type of gases may be inside this, in this container. This container may be considered in the room you are sitting. Let temperature is T degrees Celsius and molecules are moving in this like this. They are colliding with the walls and there is elastic collision. On collision on the wall, they are applying the pressure. This pressure value P equal 1/3 rho C square. This is pressure value. And this is 1/3. This is density. Density is mass upon volume into C square. If it is 1 mole value, so this is P. This is will be mass of 1 mole. V you may transfer this side. So that is the PV equal 1/3. This is the molar mass into C square. And PV equal RT. This can be represented equal to for ideal gas PV equal nRT. N I have taken as a 1. So PV equal RT will be equation for 1 mole. So this is RT equal 1/3. This is molar mass into C square. 3 I am transferring to this side and dividing by 2. So this is 3/2 RT equal half mc square. This is m is the mass of 1 mole of the gas. So over here we are seeing that this is the translational kinetic energy. This is translational kinetic energy. This is translational kinetic energy. So what we are observing, we are considering over here, that is in this pressure depends upon the density. It is not depending which gas is in this, nitrogen, hydrogen, not this. This is depending upon the density. But suppose there are two chambers and in this there is hydrogen gas of 1 mole and in this 1 mole of nitrogen gas and volume is same, or suppose this is 22.4 liter, this is also 22.4 liter at SPP, this is at SPP and temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius at SPP and this is by substance, it is 1 mole, 1 mole, it is also 1 mole gas. So in this it is very clear to everybody that this in this nitrogen gas mass will be more, so density will be more, so there will be more density, there will be more pressure. Due to nitrogen there will be more pressure, due to hydrogen there will be less pressure. Since volume is same, here number moles same, so this is molar mass will be, so density mass upon volume density will be more, so here will be more pressure, in this there will be less pressure. But in case of kinetic energy is, that is translational kinetic energy. I am not speaking about total internal energy of the gas. I am not speaking about internal energy. I am speaking kinetic energy due to motion of the molecules and translational motion, not vibrational and rotational, only translational motion. Due to translational motion, kinetic energy, that is half mc square, m is the molar mass. This is 3 by 2 RT at T temperature. This is whatever the gas. For each gas, it is monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, light means low molar mass, higher molar mass. That is what type of the gas is. R is constant for all the gases. T is constant. So kinetic energy for all type of gases is same. Pressure is difference, but kinetic energy at T temperature for all type of gases is maybe monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, and light molecules in diatomic, heavy molecules in diatomic, no matter. This is very important. So you can say what happens directly in hydrogen. Hydrogen mass is less. So in this hydrogen molecule, velocity will be more. So that kinetic energy, velocity will be more. Mass is less, so velocity will be more. So that its product must be 3 by 2 RT. It is constant. 3 by 2 RT at T temperature. It is constant for all the gases. So mass may be less, so this will be more. So for hydrogen molecules, velocity will be more. Nitrogen, comparatively nitrogen molecules, velocity will be less. And carbon dioxide, in place of carbon dioxide, it may be in diatomic. We are presenting nitrogen and oxygen. This is a list of diatomic, monoatomic, and this is NH3 ammonia triatomic. I am grouping this. That's why CO2 I removed from over here. So this is the further some other relations in this. If there is any doubt, please clear to me. Please comment. I'll answer it. Further 3 by 2 RT, 3 by 2 RT equal half mc square. This is 1 mole and this is molar mass, 1 mole mass, molar mass. So we can write it 3 by 2 mole Avogadro number Na into small r into T equal 1/2 mass Na. Molar mass we can write Avogadro number, and this is the mass of one molecule into C square. So in this Na or Na will be cancelled, 3 by 2, or in place of small r I am writing Kb, Boltzmann's constant, 3 by 2 Kbt equal half mc square. This is kinetic energy of one molecule. Kinetic energy of one molecule, and this is 3 by 2 Kbt. This is half mc square. The mass of one molecule, and this is kinetic energy of molecule. Translational, I am writing translational kinetic energy of one molecule. So in this, and this is also translation kinetic energy, and this belongs to constant. So it proves kinetic energy, translational kinetic energy of any type of molecule. This is constant, this constant, Boltzmann's constant. Kb is called Boltzmann's constant. I am writing over here Kb. This is Kb. I am writing over here Boltzmann's constant. It is Boltzmann constant. So we are studying that Kb is constant at particular temperature T. This total value is constant. So any type of molecule, it may be argon, hydrogen, nitrogen, small molecule, large molecule, monoatomic, triatomic, is having a constant kinetic energy. Pressure will be different, but their kinetic energy will be same. So please clear it. It's very important. In case any doubt, please comment me. I'll make it clear to you. Okay, best of luck.